How to excel at math, 10 effective ways. Struggling with math? You're not alone. Math can be challenging, but with the right strategies, it's totally conquerable. Let's dive into some tips that can transform your math skills from average to amazing. Don't wait until you're overwhelmed. Talk to your teacher as soon as you hit a snag. Teachers appreciate questions, it shows you're interested. A simple chat can illuminate concepts you find tricky and open up personalized support for your unique needs. Practice doesn't just make perfect, it makes progress. Solve math problems daily, this boosts your understanding progressively. Each practice session builds your confidence and reinforces the methods. Set aside time each day specifically for math to establish a routine. Before tackling advanced topics, ensure you understand the basics. Solid foundational knowledge makes learning new concepts faster and easier. Don't skip any steps, each lesson builds upon the last, creating a strong base for future success. Homework is your personal math coach. It helps you apply what you've learned and pinpoint areas needing more review. Approach each assignment with focus. It's your opportunity to practice with purpose and refine your skills until they become second nature. Never hesitate to ask questions. Curiosity unlocks learning, every query unravels knowledge. Join study groups, engage with peers, and use online resources. The more you inquire, the deeper your understanding becomes, solidifying all those challenging concepts into comprehensible ideas. Getting better at math starts today. Follow these strategies, and soon, math won't be a mountain, but a molehill. So dive in, get curious, and don't give up. You've got this. Subscribe for more tips, and start mastering math today.